Welcome again to our third multiplication mayhem. It is fantastic to see you. Today we're going to be talking about our 4, 8 and 16 times table. If you fancy a challenge and you're good at doubling, then you might actually find that the 16 times table isn't that tricky to get. So we're going to do some practicing together. We've got a fun quiz to do, and then we're going to give you a little challenge at the end for you to solve. Anyway, let's get to it. Here's our practice coming up. We're going to think about how we can use one simple fact that's really easy, like 1 times 4, to work out really big facts and big problems. Okay, let's do it. One of my favourite ways to think about a times table is using a times table clock, or they're sometimes called multiplication wheels. But I like to start off with a blank one. This is a little bit squashed, but it will do the job. So we're just going to use this to figure out our times tables, because yes, it's great to be able to just say them one after the other, but sometimes you need to know what to do when you get stuck. So this is our 4 times table, and we're just going to fill it in our clock. You can do this with any times table. So we're going to start off with 12, our 6, our 3, and our 9, and then just fill in the rest. Okay, easy peasy so far. And then we're just going to start off with the facts that we already know. So 1 times 4, that one's pretty straightforward. One group of 4 is 4. If I know 1 times 4, and I know double 1 is 2, I can double that answer to find this out. So double 4 is 8. Hang on, can I use doubles again? I can, so I can double the 8. I know that, it's 16. Double 2 is 4, so my 16 goes down here. 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to fill in another easy one now. I find the 10 times tables pretty straightforward. 4 times 10 is 40. Oh, well then I can work out 9 times 4, or 4 times 9, by just taking away 4 from that. And because I know my bonds to 10, I can just do it as 36, because I know 6 and 4 is 10. Oh, and I can just add 4 more on to get my 11 times. There we go, 44. Let's see if there's any others I can do. I actually know how to double 16 to get to 8 times table over here. That will be 32. Whoops. I've got a missing one here, 4 times 3. Well, I can just count on from that. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put my 12 in there. I can do some more doubles. Double 3 is 6, double 12 is double 10 and double 4, so that's 24. I can double up here as well, double 24. That's a fairly easy one to double, because I can double the 20 and double the 4 to get me 48. 4 times 12 is 48, and I can check that because I know that if I add on 4, I get to 8 here. These ones, this one is a tricky one, but now I've already worked out each side, I can double. So, I mean not double, I can add on 4. So 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then 4 times 5, I could either just add 4 on, but I know my 5 times table, and I can use my 5 times table in my 4 times table, because it doesn't matter which way around you multiply things. So 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Easy peasy. So I figured out my times tables using that. You can do it a little bit more, okay? I'm going to get a different coloured pen and show you the next step. I can then double the whole thing to get my 8 times table. Times 8, double 4 is 8, double 8 is 16, double 12 is 24, and then I can do, double 3, I can get my 48 down here. 8 times 10, well, I'm just doubling 40, so that's going to be the same as saying double 4 tens is 8 tens, so that's 80, and I can go on and figure that out. Then if I want to be really fancy, I can double my 8 times table to get, you've guessed it, my 16 times table. So now I've got my 16 times table, and I can double all of these, double 8, 16, 32, and I can keep going round, or I could just count on in different times as well. If I really wanted to be fancy, I could think about my 160 times table. Let's try that. Well, I know if I times things by 10, all the place value moves along, and I put a 0 in the extra space, so that would be 160, 320, Can you see how knowing that one simple fact, 1 times 4 is 4, helped me work out all the rest? It's quiz time again, and we've been reading a book lately. What has been one of the creatures in our book that we've been reading about, Ezra? Dragons. And in the book there was quite a lot of dragon snot. So we've collected some dragon snot. And inside there are some numbers. If you get a question right, one of these two will pick out a number from the snot and see how many points you get. Yesterday, Ezra's team went first, so today it's Amelia's team. Roll your sleeves up, ready? So I'll ask you a question. There'll be 3 different levels. You pick which one you want to answer, and then you'll decide which team you're going to join, and they will get you your points. So first question is...
Mom, I can't.
And the answers are... Okay, let's get your sleeves rolled up. Oh. Put your hand in, search around for some points. Oh, you got something. It is 6 points. Well done, 6 points. Next question is for Excellent Ezra's team. Here's the question and the answers. And now let's see how many points you get if you are on Ezra's team. Oh, it smells disgusting. Put your hand in. Yeah. How many points did you get? 2 points. Show it to the video. There we go. 2 points. Oh. Okay. Next question for the amazing Amelias. And the answers are... Right, Amelia, you got 6 points. Are you going to put your hand in the snot again?
Yeah.
Oh, go dive in really deep. Oh, she's got it. It's a 2. Are you ready, Ezra? Yeah. Wait. Let's go have them answer a question. Here are your times tables questions today. And the answers. Did you get it right? If so, Ezra, dive into that dragon snort.
5.
What did you get? A 5. Pretty good. A 5. Well done. Third question for the amazing Amelia's team. Here's the question and the answer. And let's see how many points you get. Put your hand right in. What did you get? Oh, look at that snot dripping off your fingers. What did you get? She got a 3. Question number 3 for the Excellent Ezra's. Wait. You're very eager considering it's dragon snot. Question and answer. If you got it right, let's see how many points. Oh.
7.
What did you get? 4 points. Well done. This is the last question for the amazing Amelias. And then we'll add up the points and see what you got. So here's the question and the answers. If you got it right, let's see how many points you got. 1. That's still good. Every point counts. Last question for the Excellent Ezra's. Here's the question, the answer, and now in you go. Oh,
I think there's only one.
What did you get? A 3.
Stupid
So here are the points. We cleaned them up for you a little bit. But here are Amelia's points. You got 12. And Ezra's team, you got 14. So our puzzle today does have a potentially tricky times table in it, but don't forget to use what you already know to work out new facts, or use a multiplication grid and look up the answers on there. So we're travelling back in time to the Jurassic period and we meet 2 dinosaurs. The females have 9 spots and the males, you'll see him over there, have 4 spots. There he is. They're very excited because they've got an egg there. Now, you count up in the herd of dinosaurs 48 dots. How many dinosaurs of each will you have? How many male and how many female? Have a go, work it out, let me know your answer. Thank you for joining us for another multiplication mayhem. It's a bit of a different type of mayhem here right now. We've got grumpy toddlers, we've got construction work, we've got bubbles flying everywhere. So, there they go. But we're still going to take some time out today to figure out how to practice our times table so we can fill in our multiplication wheel. You go get those bubbles. So have a great day. I will see you tomorrow and the next day for 2 more multiplication mayhems. I can't wait.